Okay, here are some York Central Air Conditioning units at a commercial building in Solon. Here's this one. Currently not running. This unit is a 5-ton from 2017. And this unit has a Copeland scroll compressor. And this unit also has swept fan blades. Nice. And then here are 2 more York units. Here's this one. This unit is a 2-ton from 2017. And this unit also has a Copeland scroll compressor. And then here's this York. This one has a compressor blanket. This unit is a 4-ton, I think, from 2017. But yeah, currently none of these are running right now. And these units appear to have Gentech fan motors. But yeah, these units are located at a commercial building in Solon. It's actually at a animal hospital building. And these have R410A refrigerant. But yeah, just like a quick video of these 3 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.